Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this easy part in SolidWorks following this sketch. So let's start. First we'll have to open a sketch in the top plane. Here we'll have to make a circle. Let's give this the dimension of 50 millimeters. Now let's make a center line. One like this and one like this. Okay, now let's make another circle. Let's give this the dimension of 30 millimeters. And the dimension from this point to this center point will be 35 millimeters. Now select line and make a line from this circle to this circle. And be sure to have this sign here. This means that this is tangent to this circle and here the same. If you don't have this, select the line and the circle and then select here make tangent. Now let's use mirror entities to mirror this line and select this line here and press OK. Now use trim entities to cut this part of the circle. Okay, now use mirror entities again and select this. Actually first let's make another circle here. This will have the dimension of 12 millimeters in diameter. And now let's mirror them. Select all of this. Okay, and here at mirror about, select this center line and press OK. Now use trim entities to cut this part of the circle. Now let's make another circle. Here with the dimension of 20 millimeters. Now go to features, extruded boss base, and here put 10 millimeters. Press OK. Now select this face, open a sketch, normal 2. Now let's make a circle here. Select this circle and this edge, and select here make corradial. Now select convert entities command and convert this edge. Now go to features, extruded boss base, and here put 28 millimeters. Press OK. Now select this face, open a sketch, normal 2, and here let's make another circle of 30 millimeters in diameter. And now go to features, extruded cut, and here put 6 millimeters. Press OK. Beautiful. Now select right plane, open a sketch, normal 2, and here let's make a center line first, in the middle of this part. Okay, now let's make a circle on this center line with the dimension of 6 millimeters, and from this point to this edge will be 12 millimeters. Now go to features, extruded cut, and here select up to next. Press OK, and this is done. Right click on it, go to appearance, body, and here select the color you want this part to be. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. where I'm gonna make another easy part for you. And if you want to help me, leave a like, subscribe, share, a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.